Just in general, I think the basic advice here would be smart on days like today. Another thing to keep in mind is that we're going to get an 100-degree day, and of course, that's the reason for the weather impact alert. We're going to be talking about temperatures 100 to 103. The evening, I would try and avoid those early evening outdoor activities. Reason being, it's June the 20th. Today is the summer solstice. It is the longest day of the year. We have 14 hours, 59 minutes, and 16 seconds of daylight here in Denver. That means that the sun will be setting at 8:30, so it's going to stay hot very late. So I would plan on outdoor activities more before 9 a.m. this morning. You're up right now, obviously, if you're watching us here on 9 News. You're awake right now. Shocking, breaking news, but try and get those activities done over the next 2 to 3 hours. That will be the coolest time of the day. This evening is not going to be much better. First pitch, the Rockies game tonight, I'm going to show this to you in just a second. It's going to be 94, so just to give you an idea about how hot it will be later on to the evening. Right now, 6:17 in the morning, 68 already for us, 70 in Ray, and 52 in Lyman. That's the cool spot. Today we top out at 100 degrees. As I mentioned, daily record is 99. Sixth earliest 100-degree reading on record coming up for us in Denver today. 105 La Junta, 106 Lamar. What you're looking at on this map, 15, 20 degrees above where we would expect to be in the middle of June. Futurecast, a few gusty showers for us southeastern plains, but we're mostly on the dry side today. Tonight we drop back to 64 for us, light winds and mild, and there is that game day forecast, what I was talking about. I mentioned this about 15 minutes ago. Pro tip, if you're going to the game tonight, go into right field. Your back will be to the sun. You don't want to be, for example, behind home plate. It's going to be just scorching for us. And of course, we got that game here on 9 News, so you can watch it from the comfort of your own home. West of the Continental Divide, red flag warning. It's been very dry here. We had a bad snow season, frankly, here, especially in southern Colorado. So that combination will lead, plus gusty winds, will lead to high fire danger for today. And speaking of those gusty winds, 30, 40-mile-an-hour winds, it's going to be 100 degrees plus 30 to 40-mile-an-hour winds. It's going to feel like being inside of a hairdryer today. The foothills, you get the gusty stuff late tonight. Heat advisory today and tomorrow, hence the weather impact alert. That covers the eastern plains. Some spots as high as 107 today and tomorrow. Speaking of tomorrow, 98 for us, mostly sunny skies. Hot, windy once again for us. The record 99 degrees for us, so a very hot day again for us tomorrow. Weather impact alert continues into tomorrow as well. So when will it cool down? We don't have that long to wait, and it will cool down meaningfully early next week with an area low pressure that moves its way into our region that will kick out the hot stuff and it'll lead to widespread showers and storms. And by the way, if you're curious, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, this is the first hint of the monsoon, the annual monsoon for us early next week. Upper 70s, low 80s with widespread storms. Could be talking about severe weather Monday and Tuesday, but of course the big story, the reason for the weather impact alert is the high heat for both today and tomorrow. Final thing I'll leave you with, tonight is the summer solstice at 8:41 p.m. The sun's rays will be directly over the Tropic of Cancer, which here in the northern hemisphere means the official start of summer. Coming up here in 14 hours and 22 minutes. Brianna, are you excited about that?